The other hand, it's more on the program of the organization to make us believe of the armed struggle for us to make our choice to join the NPA. Kasi nung mga nasa urban pa kami, talagang hinihikayat kami na akit ka na sa bundok mag-NPA kasi initado ka na, mainit na sa militar, ganito, ganyan. So, yung sinasabi ni nila Teddy Casino, ni Sara Ilago particular na yung kabataan ay hindi recruiter ng NPA, that's a big lie and deception. Because Kabataan Party List, I want to say this very categorical, Kabataan Party List is a recruiter of the New People's Army. Thank you.
Si Congresswoman Sara Ilago, dahil siya ay representative ng Kabataan Party na itinayo ng CPP, member siya ng National Youth and Students Bureau, NYSB. At yan ay nasa ilalim ng NOD, National Organizations Department ng Central Committee Staff Organ. So ibig sabihin, ang trabaho niya, kumpasan, pamunuan, ang recruitment, infiltration, at pagbubuo ng iba't ibang organization underground and above ground sa hanay ng kabataan at estudyante sa buong Pilipinas. Yun ang trabaho niya. Ang kanyang kasalanan, sila ni Teddy Casino, sila Sarate, sila Gaite, sila Colmenares, ang tawag diyan, respondeat superior. Command, responsibility. The CPP is the establisher and the orchestrator and the leader of the NPA. The CPP controls the NPA absolutely. Therefore, ang CPP is the principal to the crimes and terrorism and atrocities committed by the NPA. And the CPP is not only an enabler, it is a collaborator and conspirator to all the atrocities na ginagawa ng CPP, NPA, NDF. And so therefore, it follows. Itong si Sara Ilago, sila lahat ay mga collaborators and enablers of the atrocities of the NPA that they cannot condemn in the halls of Senate kanina. Dalawang beses inulit ni Senator Lacson. You are now with the government. You are also representatives even if you are party list. You are voted by the people through your party. Now, if you are with the government, ang mga dati niyong kasama na nag-NPA, nag-armas, nang-aambush ng mga sundalo at pulis, pumapatay ng kapwa Pilipino at nang mawasak ng mga construction heavy equipment at sumisira ng bayan, gumagamit ng karahasan, you don't consider them as enemies of the state? Ang sagot ni Dede Casino, very clear, i-review nyo. Ang Senate kanina sa kanilang ang hearing, no, we don't consider them as enemies of the state. So therefore, sabi ni Senator Lacson, I cannot reconcile. You are with the government and yet you cannot condemn or consider yung mga grupo na sumisira sa gobyerno natin. That's very clear. May brief lang na rejoinder si Kaamihan, si Canuel, and then we go to the other questions.
Actually, yung sinabi ni Teddy Casino kanina na hindi niya kinikilalang kaaway ang NPA. Sa maiksing pananalita, ganito lang yan eh. Kung hindi mo kaaway ang NPA, ano mo?
Kaibigan.
Of course, kaibigan mo kasi hindi mo nga kaaway. Yan yung simple logic, di ba? Ngayon, kung kaibigan mo ang NPA na terorista, ano ka ngayon? Ibig kong napakasimpleng pananalita yon. Logic lang yon. 1 + 1 = 2.
Hello. I have a rejoinder dun sa sinasabing it's just a personal choice of every Kabataan Party List members to join the NPA because I debunked that specific statement. Let me cite some example of people in Kabataan Party List whom I personally know and joined the NPA. Number 1, this is Rendel Ryan Cagula, Kabataan Party List spokesperson of Southern Mindanao Region, a student of the University of the Philippines, Mindanao, took up BS in Anthropology. So, si Rendel po, mas kilala dun sa kanayunan bilang alias Perper, nasawi po sa isang encounter with the 27th Infantry Battalion sa Sarangani Province noong November 2014. He was that time, before he was NPA, ang last designation niya was the regional spokesperson of Kabataan Party List SMR. Next. Charis Bernardine Banyes. Siguro sa mga dating nag-i-interview na rin ng mga aktivista, si Chaba, siya po ay dating chairperson ng UP Los Baños Student Council. Naging student regent din po ng University of the Philippines noong 2009. Pagkatapos ay naging National Secretary General ng Anak Bayan. Nung panahon din na ako ay naging na-elect din na Anak Bayan National Vice Chair for Mindanao noong 2011. Where is she?
Nag-UP Student Regent.
Yeah, naging UP Student Regent, naging National Section ng LFSN. So right now, where is she? She's nowhere. But I know where she is. She's at the Guerrilla Front 56 of SRC 5 of the Southern Mindanao region. Why I know that? Because we hold minutes of the attendees of every SR committees in our territories. And my former comrades as well who surrendered in the 10th Infantry Division also can confirm. They can also attest and execute affidavit confirming that Chaba, the former leader of Anak Bayan, LFS, and Kabataan Party List, is already a cadre of the NPA in SRC 5, particular Guerrilla Front 56, covering the area of Talaingod and some areas of Bukidnon. Next. This is Cherry Urindain. Cherry Urindain is also a BS Anthropology student in UP Mindanao. Became the regional spokesperson of Anak Bayan SMR. Kasabayan ko po to nung dumulo kami sa 6th National Congress ng Anak Bayan sa PUP noong May 2011. Where is she? You know, the question na, where is she? She is currently detained and imprisoned. Dahil siya po ay naging NPA under the Guerrilla Front 2 of the SRC2, dun pa rin sa SM. Kumikilos sa mga bayan ng Mako, Tagum City, Pantukan, and some parts of Mawab in Davao de Oro. So, ang code niya po doon ay Alisa. So, she's still currently detained. Nasa kulungan na po si Alisa o si Cheremy Urindain. Hindi pa rin siya nakakalaya. And I also remember one personal friend as well. She's not from Kabataan, but gusto ko lang sabihin din para kunin yung logic, yung sa sinasabi nilang personal choice lang. Condolence to the family, but I just want to mention Vanessa Limpag, a very personal friend of mine. Collective ko po dati sa Zamboanga. Ang code niya po is Kyle. Siya po yung medical na kasama ni Parago nung na-raid sila sa Bakibato. And napatay po siya sa raid na yon. So, from Perper to Kyle to Alisa to Chaba, sino pa ba yung hindi ko nabanggit? To, lastly, eto active NPA pa din. Yung dating Kabataan Party List Regional Spokesperson ng Panay, si JC Alejandro, na taga Romblon. Where is he? He is in the central front of the NPA in the Panay region. So JC Alejandro po. So are these just coincidences? Are these just their personal choices? Personal choice, yes, one way, but on the other hand, it's more on the program of the organization to make us believe of the armed struggle, for us to make our choice to join the NPA. Kasi nung mga nasa urban pa kami, talagang hinihikayat kami na akit ka na sa bundok mag-NPA kasi initado ka na, mainit na sa militar, ganito, ganyan. So, yung sinasabi nila Teddy Casino, ni Sara Ilago particular, na yung kabataan ay hindi recruiter ng NPA, that's a big lie and deception. Because Kabataan Party List, I want to say this very categorical, Kabataan Party List is a recruiter of the New People's Army. Thank you.